Hi, this is the Pro 3 channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to see your recent played song on Spotify. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Did you listen to an awesome Spotify song but you can't remember what it's called or who played song on Spotify? Thankfully, you can check your recently played song on Spotify in just a few click or tap. So in this video, I'll show you how to do it. It's very simple. First of all, of course, you have to open our Spotify, and from here, if you want to check your recent play, you can just click on the up left corner on your profile, and you'll find there is an option recent. You can just select on that. So here's all the song that you just played on your Spotify account. If you want to uh, play the song that you just listened before, you can just select on the song in here. So here you can see like the playlist of the song you just played on your Spotify. It's very simple, right? So that is how to view your Spotify listening history or how to see your recent plays on Spotify. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.